You know what device is likely to work really well and never get in your way or have anything like, unbecoming about it?
What?
The Trump phone.
Oh, good transition.
Check this out. See this?
Yeah.
So this render of the Trump phone is just an image that they ripped off of this accessory manufacturer's website. Is that wild or what?
Yeah.
This is their upcoming T1, and it appears to be a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in Spigen's, and I'm so sorry if I'm saying this wrong, S25 Ultra thin fit case. You can even see their logo under the photoshopped on American flag.
What a lazy job. You need to rip people off better.
Our notes, unfortunately, say...
Spigen?
Looks photoshopped. You can tell by the way it is. We all know that it looks photoshopped. You can tell by the pixels.
The crazy part is it would have been so easy to do this not terribly. Like, that's the weirdest part for me.
I know.
It would have taken seconds more.
I know.
Like, I do kind of wonder when stuff like this happens, and this might be hypocritical because earlier in the show I talked about how we're humans, we make mistakes sometimes, but when a mistake like that happens, I wonder is this someone inside just being I need a job, so I'm gonna do my job, but also I'm gonna leave some Easter eggs in there that people will find so that people know this is stupid. I kind of wonder sometimes because that's a wild mistake. They ripped off this case and just left the logo on it. I don't know.
The site still has the old version of the quote unquote the T1 phone that will never exist and isn't real.
Yeah. How is this not such a huge tell for people? Anyways,
that's a longer conversation.
Moving on.